Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube Shorts with InVideo AI and turn your ideas into short, engaging videos. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Start a new AI video project and decide on one clear topic for your short. Because YouTube Shorts are designed for quick viewing, avoid trying to cover too many ideas in one video. Choose one useful tip, interesting fact, tutorial step, or simple story and build the entire short around it. Next, write a clear prompt for InVideo AI. Describe your topic, target audience, tone, visual style, and the main message you want viewers to understand. You can also tell the AI to create a strong opening, keep the narration concise, and finish with a clear takeaway or call to action. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the initial video. The platform can create the script, scenes, visuals, voiceover, and other elements based on your instructions. When the video is generated, watch the entire preview. Start by checking the opening. Make sure it gets to the main point quickly and doesn't waste time with a long introduction. Next, review the script and remove unnecessary
I
sentences.
tried the
Every
Uniqlo
part of
linen
a short
dress.
should
Everyone's been
contribute something
talking.
useful or interesting to the viewer. Now check the visuals. Make sure each image or video clip matches the narration and changes at an appropriate time. You can also customize the AI voice. Choose a voice that is clear, natural, and energetic enough for short-form content. After that, review the subtitles and on-screen text. Keep important words large, readable, and easy to understand on a small screen. Next, check the background music. If you use music, keep the volume low enough that the narration remains clear. Pay attention to the pacing as well. Avoid long pauses and make sure each scene moves smoothly into the next one. Once your edits are complete, preview the entire short again. Check the script, voiceover, visuals, subtitles, music, transitions, and overall flow.